Hello lovely people, you're welcome to my channel and page. I am Mama Triple and today's recipe is eba, or also known as curry with vegetable soup. The Yorubas call it Efo Riro. I'm going to show you how I made this delicious healthy soup. Please make sure you watch from the start till the end. So as you can see, I have my goat's meat and beef here. I'm going to marinate it, add seasoning, beef stock, onions, and then cover to let cook. I have 500 grams each of spinach in this bag, making it all together 1000 grams. So I'm going to pick the spinach, like clean it, and then continue to the next process. So as you can see, my meat is still cooking. I'm going to stir, and here I have my bell pepper, onions, tomatoes, and scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to blend that in here. I'm going to add my hot water in my spinach. That way it is going to absorb water, okay, like it's not going to be watery later on when cooking. Yes, that's the reason for that. So I'm going to thereafter use cold water to rinse it to prevent it from cooking, like from getting more soft. So I'm going to cut it like this a little bit. I don't want it to be too tiny, okay, so that when you are eating the soup you will feel the vegetable. So in another pot I'm going to add my palm oil. After heating it, I'm going to add onions and then stirring a little. After that, I'm going to also add my crayfish. It is very important to add your crayfish like this, guys, because it gives it that taste and aroma. I really love this process. So that's it. And after frying it for some time, I'm going to add my mixed pepper. That's my scotch bonnet, bell pepper, tomatoes, and onions. I'm going to add seasoning and then add also beef stock and stir. After stirring, I'm going to also add my dried fish. It is also very important for this process, guys. This dried fish is everything. So I'm going to stir and then cover to let cook. Like I'm going to cover to continue cooking. And guys, as you can see, after like 8 minutes, I added my already cooked goat's meat and beef. So now I'm going to stir again and then add my spinach. While adding the spinach, I'm going to tell you some of the benefits of it. It aids good bone health. It is good for weight loss. It's good for the eyes. It reduces hypertension. It keeps your body relaxed. It prevents cancer. It has lots of vitamins, and it can also flush out the bad stuff from your body, okay? Like, guys, spinach is just healthy and good for you. So after adding the spinach, I'm going to add my mackerel crayfish. So these are some of the health benefits of spinach. With what I listed, you see that spinach is very healthy, so I recommend it. I really advise you guys to eat spinach. So I tasted the soup for salt. The salt was just okay. So at this point, guys, my spinach soup is ready. That is how I prepare this delicious, good looking, healthy spinach soup. So now I'm going to show you how I prepared my eba or my gari. I've already boiled my hot water. I'm going to add a little amount of hot water in this bowl and then pour in my gari. I'm going to be doing it bit by bit, and after that I'm going to add water on top, like the hot water, okay? And after adding the hot water, guys, remember you have to cover it like this so that it will steam, like it will be cooked, okay? So remember also, like, you have to make your gari how you want it to be. If you want it hard or soft, please do it like that. So now it's time for me to turn the gari or the eba. So I'm going to turn till everything is smooth, and guys, as you can see, my gari is very smooth. I'm going to mold it to the shape how I want it. So guys, this is the shape I wanted and I got it. So guys, look at this. It looks so yellow and beautiful, and that's how it tastes also really good. I'm going to add my spinach now, my soup, to the plate and then start eating. Thank you guys so much for watching from the start till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, and also like all my social media platform with the name Mama Triple N. So now it's time for me to eat, guys. Look at this. It looks so good and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.